Today I'm doing an unboxing and overview of the Predator 212cc gas-powered engine from Harbor Freight. Now this engine is a non-Hemi model, so it has the flat cylinder head instead of spherical, which does give it a little less horsepower out of the box, but it's the only engine I could find at Harbor Freight, and it'll still do what I want it to do. Here's some specifications. Crankshaft dimensions is 3/4 inch by 2.43 inches, so just under 2.5. So here's the manual, owner's manual, and safety instructions. Some padding, seems pretty well packaged. This spark plug wrench. Before use, fill gas here, add fuel stabilizer, and add the engine oil below. Here's a quick start guide. So make sure you follow the instructions, do the correct break-in. Okay, that should be all that's in the box. Now we're back to the engine. There's your product information, serial number of the engine. You can see that R stands for the manufacturer of this engine. Here's your oil fill port. They give you one on each side depending on your application. Here's your PTO shaft and your key, and it is tapped right there. It is 5/16 by 24. Here's your fuel fill port. It's got a strainer in there, so that's nice. Here's your spark plug. Comes with a torch, F6TC. That's what it comes with stock. Here's your air filter. So you pull this out right down here to lift it up. There's a foam filter. Not the best. Wish it had a 2-stage filtration system with a actual paper filter, but it's $150. As it says on here, you need to clean the air filter regularly. You need to close the fuel valve before moving. Check oil every 8 hours. Use 10% ethanol max, which is what most small engines should be using. Here's your throttle control. Here's your on-off switch. Here's your choke. Here's your fuel valve, on-off. Here's your recoil starter. There's the engine model again. Here's the muffler, valve cover, and they have a sticker back here that says you must run the engine 15 to 20 minutes every 3 months and add fuel stabilizer or voids warranty. That's to keep from having clogged carburetors. So that's what the mounting pattern is like. Right there are the measurements. So in the manual here are some more specs. You can see you can run the NGK BP6ES. You can put that in if you want. And there's our valve clearance. You can see they want you to use 10W30 above 32 and 5W30 at or below 32. So here's a look inside the fuel tank. Comes with a filter on there. That's good. And they tell you to not fill the fuel above the bottom of the strainer. So you should stop at the bottom of the strainer. Going to our oil level, to check the oil, you don't screw it in. So you'll remove the dipstick, wipe it off, insert it like that. Don't screw it in, just set it on the threads, remove it, and it should be somewhere about right there. When the engine's on a level surface, you can see right here are the instructions for checking the oil. So make sure you check the oil and add if necessary, and then you're going to mount it to whatever your application is, fuel it, and then start it and do the braking procedure. But make sure you read the entire manual first and you're familiar with the engine. So that's the unboxing and overview on the Harbor Freight 212cc Predator engine. Thanks for watching.